student of grade 8. Right now we had a campaign in which we had washed hands, and the class 6 children were aware of that. Let's ask what message did they have. Okay, so there is Maya with us. Maya, tell us that after watching the campaign, what lesson did you get?
I get how to wash our hands and what are microorganisms.
So after watching all this, what do you think is the importance of health and hygiene?
Hello everyone. Health and hygiene is very important for us.
Okay, so if health and hygiene is really very important for us, so how can you maintain a healthy and clean environment?
We should throw rubbish in dustbin, and we should keep our environment very clean, and we should use vehicles very less.
This is Mr. Parnesh from Newsroom with their co-host Neha Hansala. Today, we just had a campaign of hand washing, and we are going to introduce all of these children of class 8 who are going to tell us a message about it.
We got the message that we should wash our hands regularly, and we should wash our hands before eating and after eating food.
What's your opinion, Mira?
The message which I got was this: that how to wash our hands, what are the steps, and what are the steps, and how we can take out the germs from our hands.
However, do you think this technique that we just did, we had a campaign, do you think it will be useful for us?
Yes, to a big extent it would be very useful, because the hand washing is a very big priority that we need to have, and this is very important in our daily life.
So, Mr. Hamza, so what do you think? Did you learn anything, or you were doing this before also?
Yes, we learned a lot. We learned that we can stay away from germs, we can stay healthy, and away from hospitals and many things.
So you were not carrying out these steps before this campaign?
No, actually, I used to be very careless before, but after seeing this, I became very responsive, impacted, and I took care about all of these steps.
What message do you got?
The message I got was that hygiene is very important in our life, and as we get hygiene, we get health, and the steps we follow are very useful for us, and we can remove germs from our hands easily.
How many times do you wash your hands a day?
I haven't counted exactly how many times, but I can say that after using toilet, before cooking something, or before eating something, after eating something.
Do you know all these steps of washing hands?
Yes, now I can perfect stuff.
So you guys have been asking this question all around the school from everyone who I have interviewed. I'd like to repeat the same question. There are uprising diseases in Pakistan. What will be our role to help them to control all of these diseases?
Firstly, we should maintain hygiene in our own home. Advising our neighbors, our families, and our friends should be very important, and we should do that for the maintenance of hygiene and health.
I'm going to introduce some grade 7. Okay, so what do you think? What is the importance of health and hygiene? I think it's a very important part of our life, and if we don't, keep ourselves clean, we may die of very dangerous diseases such as cancer. Well, cancer has another reason, but bacteria inside us, they give us bad diseases. So I'm glad to know that you know the importance of health and hygiene. So if you really know that, how can you maintain it? In school, you could, wash your hands before eating, and keep a sanitizer, keep your hands clean, and don't go into dirt, or just try your level best to keep yourself clean. And at home, take bath as much. Okay? Anyone?
I have one.
Can you share your views with us related to health and hygiene?
We should be hygiene, we should keep our school clean, we should not create mess.
So how can we keep our school clean? We say that we can keep our school clean. How to?
By not throwing the wrappers here and there in the ground, and by By not kicking the dustbins, and if sometimes the boys kick the dustbin and all the rubbish falls on the ground.
We have a break. You don't think so? Why do you have it?
It's my favorite.
So what do you think? How can we make it hygienic? Alright. So you're having some Domino's munchies. So do you wash your hands before? So what do you think it's unhygienic? Do you think it's unhygienic?
And I'm taking the interview from our class fellows about the health week. This is Visma and this is Maria. So guys, what task are you performing and on which topic? We are preparing questions for the survey.
And they're related to health and hygiene, how to maintain a healthy environment.
What do you know about the vaccinations? We know that the vaccinations are, people take vaccinations in their childhood so that they can prevent from various diseases which they can face when they reach an older age. What are your thoughts about the health week? We think that health week is a very good initiative taken to spread health awareness and to make the children aware of what steps should be taken to maintain health and hygiene around us. What measures do you take to prevent from diseases?
We have prepared some questions
And we are preparing posters and badges to prevent diseases so that people really don't know what
and so that people can get aware about it.
Thank you, Mariam, and it's not good work.